So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Rahul. So again came back to take a new special video, and in this video I will tell you guys means how can you convert yourself from Hindi medium to English medium. So before starting this video, first of all I would like to tell about myself. This is Rahul Kuswa. Actually I was from Hindi medium till 10th class, and after completing my 10th class I changed my subject from Hindi to English. So this strategy I would like to share with you. That means how can you do this thing, because when we in a Hindi medium, that time we always just think there are some things which we always just think in our mind. Number one is that means the English medium students are extraordinary and extra intelligent. We always thinks like this. I don't know why actually you all think or not, but I used to think like this. So but number one is that, and number second, when any English medium students come, then you know what happened with us. Actually means my whole confidence just fell down in front of that guy. Do you know why? Because there was a basically one thing in my mind. That means because I was totally from Hindi medium means till my 10th class. So I always just so confused. That means that English medium students are very extraordinary and extra intelligent, and and means they also used to speak a very good English. So English is a very essential language. Everybody should know that, whether you are from English, Hindi, no matter, but you should know how to even speak. Because suppose if you will go every means out of the our country, and if you will visit in our country also, then you just need English, because it's a very essential thing for you. So I would like to tell you those things which you just need and in your mind, and can convert yourself at the at the 11th standard also. Because there are a lot of the things in the science, because by the science field, actually first thing is that means if you are choosing your medical career, then ki after completing your 12th class, means if you will get selected in NEET also, then also you will have to go with English, because the professor will not even speak a single word in Hindi. Because in your college there will be the lot of the students, they will be from different states, and their languages are also different. So professor always use the English language in their while they're teaching. So I just want to say you that means you should go and change your basically language at your 11th standard, because this is the that thing basically at which you just try to means acquire those things which is just make your basement. And your basement will be from Hindi, then it will take a lot of the time and lot of the efforts, and it is not even possible at the basically college level. Because in medical field there is a lot of the knowledge to gain. And guys, I'm saying you it's not possible to convert yourself at that particular stage. If you will go, you will not get even respect at that time. So I'm saying you, if you are so much excited means to go in the medical field or even in engineering field, these are two fields which you just have to decide your career in English medium only. So guys, what is to do, and use to convert yourself if you are so much passionate about this. Actually I know at your 10th standard you will have to face a lot of the problems. I also had faced, but at that time I faced. Today I'm speaking in front of you. I know that I'm not perfect, everybody is not perfect, but I means day by day I'm trying my best to improve myself. So you also can do everything. So what used to do, used to go and join any coaching of a spoken classes. So means first thing, be regular there. Because until you will not practice by yourself, you will have to do, you will have to become a foolish. Everybody will say that पागल हो गया है and everything. तो आपको करना क्या है, अपने आप से बात बात करना है. There is a mirror in front of you and you are there, and आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. आपको जो आपके टीचर्स वहाँ पे पढ़ाने वाले हैं, आपको उन्हीं सेंटेंस को बार बार रिपीट करना है in a same way, like Ram is going, Ram is going, Ram is going. Actually I was also so much confused when I was just started my coachings. And actually I am from means a small town, and here I just got a coaching. So I was a basically perfect, and I used to spend 6 to 7 hours per day. Yes, 6 to 7 hours per day in this particular means classes. So this is the, because आप एक दिन में सारी चीज़ें नहीं सीख सकते गाइस. स्लोली स्लोली यू विल बिल्ड अप योर कॉन्फिडेंस, बिकॉज जब आप इनिशियल टाइम पे आप अपनी कोचिंग जाते हो तो वहाँ पे ना आप ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ अपना अपना पेश करोगे जो बिल्कुल ही मतलब टोटली इंग्लिश बोलेंगे, चाहे वो गलत बोल रहे हो, बट यू विल थिंक कि यार ये तो बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलता है. दैट थिंग्स ऑल्सो हैपन विद मी व्हेन आई इनिशियली जॉइन माई कोचिंग. सो वहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स थे जो इन रियलिटी गलत इंग्लिश बोलते थे, बट आई यूज टू थिंक दैट कि यार मतलब so extraordinary, and he is basically one of the very intelligent guy, because I was an average student at that time. I was not a basically good as I am today. So आप लोगों को करना यही है कि अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को पॉजिटिव रखना है और अपने आप से इतनी प्रैक्टिस करना है गाइस कि ना देन आप इंग्लिश सीख जाओगे, आसानी से सीख जाओगे. एट योर 10th लेवल जो आप कर सकते हो ना गाइस, आई से कि इन 11th 12th एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग 12th इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, बिकॉज टाइम ही नहीं मिलेगा आपको करने के लिए. एंड जब मैंने अपनी कोचिंग एट दी 10th लेवल पे अपनी इस चीज़ के लिए लगाई थी, तो मेरे टीचर जो स्कूल टीचर्स थे, दे ऑलवेज यूज टू से मी कि मत करिएगा क्योंकि आपके बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स भी हैं, एंड यू विल बी शॉकिंग दैट आई जस्ट achieve a good percentage also at in the basically board exam. I was a basically 94% holder, and आप भी सब कुछ कर सकते हो गाइस. परसेंटेज ऑलवेज आपको आपके कैरियर तक नहीं पहुंचाती है हमेशा. आई से कि कुछ केसेस में ये काम आ जाती है, बट ऑलवेज ये आपके साथ नहीं रहने वाली है. मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज योर कॉन्फिडेंस, योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज, योर हैबिट्स, एंड जो आपने नॉलेज एक्वायर की है अपने अंदर, अपने माइंड के अंदर जो अपने आप को डेवलप किया है, इट विल ऑलवेज लिव विथ यू. सो आपको करना क्या है, आपको अपने मीडियम को यदि कन्वर्ट करना है तो एट द 10th लेवल ही आपको सोचना पड़ेगा इसके बारे में. क्योंकि यदि आप इंजीनियरिंग या मेडिकल फील्ड में जाना चाहते हो तो डोंट थिंक अबाउट दिस दैट यू विल बी एबल टू कन्वर्ट योर सेल्फ, एंड बिकॉज वहाँ पे डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज के स्टूडेंट्स होंगे और कोई आपको भाव नहीं देने वाला इतना यार. अंडरस्टैंड. तो करना कुछ नहीं है, आपको अपनी लाइफ में इतना हार्डवर्क करना है, इतना हार्डवर्क करना है, इतना हार्डवर्क करना है कि आप जब 11th स्टैंडर्ड में आओ तो सिर्फ आपको ना जो बुक लैंग्वेज है, बिकॉज जब आपको ये जानकर बहुत ही आश्चर्य होगा, यू विल बी शॉकिंग वेरी की ना, मेरे को इतना भी पता नहीं था कि व्हाट बी से जाने को क्या कहते हैं, आने को क्या कहते हैं. आई वॉज जस्ट डिडंट नो एनीथिंग, एंड विद इन द 6 months यू नेवर बिलीव आई स्टार्टेड टू स्पीक लाइक दिस. उसके बाद तो इम्प्रूवमेंट रहता है जो कि आप प्रैक्टिस करके सीख जाओगे. So this is last thing which I have told you how you can learn English, because English is that language which will pump yourself at 100 level. So go join any coaching. If you are not getting any coaching, there are a lot of the video on YouTube. Go and join that videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my complete video. Thank you so much.